Hey gamers, frustrated with the need to be online to update error on Steam? Don't worry, I will show you how to fix it step by step in under a minute. First of all, ensure your internet connection is stable. Restart your router if needed and check if other apps can connect to the internet. Next, open Steam and go to the top left corner, click on Steam, then go online. If it's already online, restart Steam to refresh the connection. If that doesn't work, try flashing your DNS, open command prompt as an administrator and type ipconfig space slash flash DNS. Press enter and restart your PC. Sometimes your firewall or antivirus blocks Steam. Temporarily disable them and see if the issue resolves. Don't forget to re-enable them afterward. As a last resort, reinstall Steam. Don't worry, your games won't be deleted as long as you don't remove the Steam apps folder. And that's it. One of these steps should fix the issue. If this helped, leave a like and subscribe for more quick fixes. See you in the game.